Hi, my name is Adante Aquino, and this is my KIN 201 Professions in Kinesiology video project. As an introduction to this video, I'd like to first introduce some opening questions. The first question is, what does kinesiology mean to me? Essentially, to me, kinesiology is the study of human movement. This leads into the actual importance of kinesiology and health promotion. Why is the field of KHP important? I feel that the field of kines is important because due to the decreasing health of the overall population and the rise in obesity across the United States, there is an increased need for professionals that are knowledgeable about the field of kinesiology. The next question being, how is kinesiology unique compared to other scientific fields as an academic area? Kinesiology is unique in the sense that it focuses on many areas of the human body, such as physiology, biomechanics, and nutrition, and many other aspects that promote a healthy lifestyle. Lastly, the question would be, why should departments of kinesiology continue to exist in colleges and universities? I feel that kinesiology departments should continue to exist because it's extremely important now more than ever to be more educated on how the body works, moves, and how to live a healthier lifestyle through movement, activity, and nutrition. Having more students in this field will also help spread the message of living a healthier lifestyle to the general population. Next, before getting into facts about kinesiology, I'd like to address some misconceptions about kinesiology. Two very common misconceptions are all kinesiology majors are studying to become PE teachers, and kinesiology is physical therapy. There are actually many professions that you can go into that we are going to talk about later in the field of kinesiology, so you are actually not only limited to PE teacher, OT, and physical therapy. There are many other options. Another misconception is kinesiology is just the study of working out. Working out is only a part of kinesiology. Kinesiology is more the study of, like I said before, the physiology, the biomechanics, the nutrition, and honestly, just really developing good lifelong habits that are going to promote a healthy lifestyle throughout your life. Next, before getting into kinesiology and the careers that can be had with a kinesiology degree, I'd also like to address kinesiology and its roots in physical education. The field of kinesiology actually began as physical education, which started in the 1820s. Charles Beck was actually the first physical education instructor in 1925 at an elite boys' school named Roundhill School. This was actually the first study done on physical education, and though their subjects were fairly limited to young white males, this was the beginnings of the study of physical education. This went on to Dr. Edward Hitchcock being the first professor of PE at Amherst College in 1961. Later, kinesiology as a major was also started in 1970, and in addition to this, Harvard also had a 4-year degree in physical education. In order to better prepare you for the kinesiology type career that you plan on pursuing, Cal Poly Pomona has a number of available programs that allow you to focus in on a certain area of interest that you find may help you in your future career. The first option that we have at Cal Poly is the exercise science option, which is the study of the multiple scientific disciplines involved in exercise, which include physiology, biology, biomechanics, and nutrition. The next option would be health promotion, which studies the aspects of promoting and spreading awareness in regards to health and overall wellness. Lastly, the last option that we have at Cal Poly would be pedagogy, which is the study of the field of teaching physical education. Lastly, I'm going to be talking about different career options in the different subplans that we have at Cal Poly and the careers that you can go into if you focus on these certain options. So in terms of exercise science, there are some common professions that exercise science majors may go into, which include exercise physiologist, which you can do with either a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or you can also obtain your PhD. Another common one would be physical therapist, which is a 3-year doctorate program. Another one would be athletic trainer, which you can have your bachelor's, master's, or PhD, but many of the programs do recommend having your master's. And another one would be occupational therapist, which is a 2-year master's program. And lastly, the last career that I find very common in the field of kinesiology exercise science would be physician's assistant, which culminates to a master's degree. The next option at Cal Poly that I'd like to address is health promotion and the common professions that health promotion majors may pursue. The first one being a health educator, which you can have your bachelor's, master's, or PhD, and the next one being a health promotion specialist in a corporate setting, which you can also have a bachelor's, master's, or PhD. The basis of both of these careers would be to promote a healthy lifestyle through methods such as presentations, health and wellness counseling, and overall advocating for a healthy lifestyle that can be carried throughout life. For example, a physical educator at a college campus may present to the students of the dangers of drinking underage and may also provide counseling services for students that are struggling with drug or alcohol use. The last option I'd like to address is the pedagogy option and what careers are common for those majoring in pedagogy. The most common profession that pedagogy majors continue on with is the profession of PE teacher or a PE teacher. And for both of these professions, you can actually have your bachelor's, master's, or your PhD. And as a physical education instructor, it is their duty to promote healthy activity to students through various avenues such as team sports and other physical activities. This allows students to not only see physical education class as a fun opportunity to exercise, but it also builds character and serves as a basis for learning how to work well with others, which can benefit the students in a multitude of ways in settings reaching far beyond PE class. Lastly, to end this video presentation, I'd like to include some areas on the Cal Poly campus that students of kinesiology can get involved in areas that pertain to their specific focuses, which will help them experience and become exposed to the field. First, for exercise science majors, there is the Human Performance Research Lab. To learn more about that, the point of contact would be Dr. Eddie Joe. For health promotion majors, there are job openings at the Wellness Center, and the point of contact for that would be any of our campus health educators on the Wellness Center website. And lastly, for pedagogy majors, there is the Motor Development Clinic, and for that, the point of contact would be Dr. Beth Foster. In addition to this, CPP also has a Kinesiology Health Promotion Club, which offers great connections and networking benefits for kinesiology students and allows them to collaborate with students that have similar goals and interests. With that, this is the end of my video presentation. And again, my name is Adante Aquino, and I'd like to say thank you for taking the time to listen.